Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training. We're back and we finished up our model here and now it's time for the construction documents. We've done everything, so please subscribe to the channel. If you want to go and look at this series, it starts from the beginning, but this is our model. We went through everything from plan drawings and everything. So what we did here, we used the template here, the precast template, or I don't really remember what template we used. But anyway, we had a lot of preset things. So here's our project browser. I'm going to just collapse this. So here in our project browser, what happened was we had a lot of preset drawings already made. So while we built our model, we had drawings already in place. For instance, we have a cover sheet here. That would be the cover sheet. There's our model. And here we get our project name and organization. So, and you know how to do that. That's basically done in the project information here, manage tab, project information. But I'm going to leave that one there because I will fill that out later, and you can do that and put your project's information in, and it all goes here. Manage tab, project information is here. And so where it says project name, there, project name, it says project name. Let's call it project name example, just so you can see how it goes in here. And put OK. And there you see what happens. So basically I'm going to go through these drawings with you that we created. So here we started with our sheet. So we got sheet A01, and that's going to be our floor plan. I'm going to close these other views. It's going to get crowded here. And our floor plan that was already generated here. Now you can turn off the furniture if you like. And then we had a second level floor plan, which was this area up here, where it includes some light fixtures from below. You can see that. And then our elevations here. So these are already generated. And we can go in here, let me see, activate this view. We can change it to consistent colors, or we can do texture here. Whatever you want. So these drawings are automatically generated from the template. So my next project is going to be residential. We're going to show the entire project in one deal. So there's our elevation here. That will be another elevation here. You can rename these whatever you like. That would be our west, our south elevation. Now you can move these sheets around however you like as well. There goes our rear elevation. And then our building sections. Okay, so I don't have any building sections on this drawing, but I did create them. So what happens here, you'll just go to your, let's see if I have one here, or we can go make one right click. Sections. So let's see what we got here. Building sections, we can drag and drop it here. Oh, that's a wall section, so we're gonna get that later. I'm gonna undo that. So I'm gonna go to see what we got here. I don't think we made one, so no, we didn't. So I'm going to go and do a quick section here. So I'll just go back to my base plan, the architectural floor plan here. Okay, I go to views here. I'm in views, of course, and then I go to my architectural floor plan. Oh, I didn't have a section here, so we'll do a couple of sections here in this view. So I'll go to my section 2, and I'll just go do a one long section this way. Okay, take one that way. Okay, now I'm sorry about that. Take one that way. We got one this way, so we're going to go back to that section drawing. and a project browser, and I remember that that should be the last one we made. So in the sections, oh, there they are, building sections, my bad. So there's one there. And then we'll have another one here. Let's see what this one is. But we don't want that one. So I'm going to undo that. But you get the idea of what's happening here. So, okay, now let me see what 3 is here. Okay, now I'm going to go back into our drawing setup. So this is pretty good. All your drawings and all you have to do basically is come back and set up these sheets from here. So I'll go here in the project browser, look at sheets, and these are all the sheets that we created. And there's our sections that we're looking at now. I'm gonna go down into our. We got details here. We got our power plans here. So there's our power plan drawing. It's already set up. I mean, that's okay. And then we got our lighting plans that we created. Oh, that's lighting. This is lighting plans right here. Okay. So you have to go in here and do a little organization and arranging, but all of our drawings here in the project browser. Again, so here in the project browser, you can go with home view, which is everything, or you can go to views here, and you can go to sheets. So these are all of the sheets that we came up with here. So I'm going to just tile these guys right quick. I'm going to zoom all. And then we go all the way through these sheets. So I'm going to do a wall section, and then I'm going to leave it there for you. So we go back into our building section. Now you can change these rename these sheets as well. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to tab these views. I'll go to my section view here that I'm in. Yep. I'm going to close everything else. And then we'll do a sheet for wall section. So architectural building sections, would that one be it? Nope. Okay, let's put it on the detail sheet because it's blank. But this will be our wall section sheet, so I'll take that section 3. Bring this back to views. Let's take the section 3 and drag and drop it here. Now for our wall section, we're going to need a larger scale, so let's activate this view. And let's make this, I will go with 3/8 for this. Let's go with 3/4, or whatever your company uses as the standard scale. But, oh wow, where is it? My goodness. Woo. So there's our wall sections here. Probably won't use that scale, but it will fit. We can adjust this. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you briefly how this all comes together. You don't need to see all that other stuff. And then again, we have our precast cut sheets that we made. So all these drawings need to be set up and arranged for construction documentation. That's coming from the model. Hey, this is how you do it. You touch this and then you just go grab this. Must be activated. No, it isn't. So I'm going to deactivate this view. I'll just pull this up right here. Move that over. And then you can fill this entire sheet with your wall sections and call it as such. So anyway, guys, we'll leave it there. Thank you for watching this video series. If you haven't, go to the beginning. And then again, we've got our piece tickets. And to show our piece tickets, we'll go here where it says assemblies. And there's our first one here, our sheet. And there's our piece tickets. So you'll go to each one of those. So This template works pretty good for it's a combination of the precast and structure together. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be safe, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next series. Thanks for watching. And again, go from the beginning and you can pick up everything here. Thanks again, bye, be safe.